Among the elements described in this week's portion, Tavo, is the description of a dramatic event that was to occur once the Israelites entered the land of Israel. Moses describes this elaborate ceremony in which half of the tribes of Israel are gathered on Mount Gerizim and the other half on Mount Ebal in central northern Israel, and the Leviim reciting blessings and curses while the people on both mountains uh, overlooking the valley from in which the Levites are gathered, respond with a resounding Amen. And so, though the pageantry of the ceremony is clear about how once the people have fulfilled the promise given to them that they would enter the land of Israel, and by doing this ceremony commit to living a life of following the covenant in the land of Israel, the question still arises as to what is the religious, spiritual significance of this ceremony. Why do they have to do this remarkable event in order to assume the ownership of the land of Israel? And I think it serves as a beautiful contrast to what took place at Mount Sinai. There, the people are gathered at the foot of the mountain. God speaks from the top of the mountain, giving them the Ten Commandments, and the people of one voice and one mind, saying what Na'aseh v'nishma, we will do and we will hear. And here, once they get to the land of Israel, the people are on top of the mountain, and the Leviim, representing God's service on earth, are in the valley below them. So on Mount Sinai, God was on top, the people were below. Once they enter the land of Israel, the people are on top, and God is below, serving as a complete picture that there on Mount Sinai 40 years before, they were given the promise of entering the land of Israel, and once in Israel, they have fulfilled that promise. Now it's up to them to live up to that. So this beautiful contrast between Mount Sinai and Mount Ebal and Mount Gerizim serves as a complete picture of what it means to live a life of covenant, what it means to be able to climb up the mountain and be in God's presence. Shabbat Shalom.